Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining with our creative channel. Today I will share you how to make a pucker flower with different technique. I hope it's simple and easy for you. You can make it at home and I hope you enjoy making it. So don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. The item you need is cotton or satin, scissors, beads, you can change the bead if you like, lighter, candle, pin, glue stick and glue gun. The first step, you make a pattern. You need 3 patterns. The diameter is about 7 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Take a satin and you can copy the pattern on the fabric. And you are going to cut. Like this. And this one. Take a candle or lighter. You have the option of heating the edge of fabric with lighter or candle. Okay. Take a satin and you melt the edge of fabric slightly. And you create a bit of pucker the edge, which is nice for the petal. Like this. And you so also do with the other petals. Okay. Take 3 petals, the bigger. You need 3. This one. Okay. Take hot glue and put in the middle and arrange the bigger petals to small petals. For the pistol, you take 3 beads here and put the beads in the center of the flower. And a beautiful puckered flowers is ready. Thank you for watching. Nice to see you and bye bye.